Open Align superelevation 1.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Select the alignment. Click Alignment tab, Modify Panel Superelevation drop-down, Calculate/Edit Superelevation. A dialog box indicates that the alignment does not contain superelevation data. Click Calculate Superelevation now. In the Create Superelevation dialog box, the roadway type page contains options for how to apply superelevation to various types of roadways. Conceptual graphics illustrate the point about which each lane will pivot. Select Undivided Crowned. In the Pivot Method list, select Center Baseline. Specify the following parameters. Symmetric roadway, selected. This specifies that the same parameters are used for both sides. Number of lanes right, 1. Normal lane width, 6.000 m. Normal lane slope, -2% under outside edge shoulders. Specify the following parameters. Calculate, selected. Normal shoulder width, 5.000 m. Normal shoulder slope, -5.000%. Low side, breakover removal. High side, match lane slopes. Specify the following parameters. Design criteria file, Autodesk Civil 3D Metric Roadway Design Standards.xml, which is located in the Data folder in Corridor Design Standards/Metric Superelevation Rate Table, ASHTO 2001 Emax 6%. Transition Length Table, 2-lane. Attainment Method, ASHTO 2001 Crowned Roadway. Percent transition into tangent, 70%. Percent transition into spiral, 100%. Apply curve smoothing, cleared. Automatically resolve overlap, cleared. Click Finish. Open Align Superelevation 2.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Select the alignment. Click Alignment tab, Modify Panel Superelevation drop-down, Calculate/Edit Superelevation under Superelevation Curve. Click Next twice under Superelevation Curve Details. In the Design Speed row, click in the Alignment Properties, Design Speed dialog box, click. A second row is displayed in the Design Speeds table. In the second row, enter the following parameters. Start station, 0 plus 820.00. Design speed, 70 km per hour. Click OK. End the Superelevation Curve Manager dialog box. The design speed value did not change because the station at which you changed the design speed is located after curve point 3. Click Next. Under Superelevation Curve Details, for curve point 4, the design speed value is 70 km per hour, which is what you specified in the preceding steps. Calculate superelevation for an individual curve. Click Superelevation Wizard. Select this curve only. Click OK in the Calculate Superelevation Wizard. Click Attainment. On the Attainment page, for Superelevation Rate Table, select ASHTO 2001 Emax 6%. Under Curve Smoothing, specify the following parameters. Apply Curve Smoothing. Selected. Curve length, 30. Click Finish on the Superelevation Curve Manager. Scroll down to the Superelevation Criteria category. Expand the category. Right-click the Normal Shoulder Width row. The Apply to Entire Alignment option enables you to update the design criteria at a curve, and then quickly apply the change to all curves in the alignment. Right-click the superelevation criteria row. Press Escape. Open Align Superelevation 3.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Select the alignment. Click Alignment tab. Modify Panel Superelevation drop-down. Create Superelevation View in the Create Superelevation View dialog box. Under Superelevation View Style, click Edit Current Selection. In the Superelevation View Style dialog box, on the Display tab, change the Graph Reference Line component type color to white. Click OK. In the Create Superelevation View dialog box, under Specify Superelevation Display Options, in the right outside lane row, double-click the color cell. In the Select Color dialog box, under Color, enter red. Click OK. Repeat steps 7 and 8 to change the other lane colors. Left outside shoulder, 150. Right outside shoulder, 11. Click OK. In the drawing, pan to an empty area above the surface. Click to place the superelevation view. Open Align Superelevation 4.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. In the top viewport, zoom into the middle of the superelevation view. In the superelevation view, select one of the lines. Right-click. Click Open Tabular Editor. In the Superelevation Tabular Editor, scroll down to Curve under Curve Point 3. Under Transition and Region, select the End Normal Shoulder row. The curve is highlighted in the bottom viewport, and the critical station is marked with a blue tick. In the Overlap column, click in the Superelevation Tabular Editor. Under Curve Point 2 Transition Out Region, select the Begin Normal Shoulder row. Change the start station value to 0 plus 560.00. Remove a superelevation critical station. In the Superelevation Tabular Editor, under Curve Point 3 Transition and Region, select the End Normal Shoulder row. Click. The End Normal Shoulder superelevation critical station is removed. In the Superelevation Tabular Editor, select the Curve Point 3 row. Click. The Superelevation Tabular Editor is hidden, and you are prompted to specify a station along the alignment. On the command line, enter 568. Press Enter. A new manual station, which starts at station 0 plus 568.00, is displayed in the Superelevation Tabular Editor. Right-click the manual station. Click Assign Critical Station End Normal Shoulder. In the End Normal Shoulder row, enter the following values: left outside shoulder, -5%. Left outside lane, -2%. Right outside lane, -2%. To import existing superelevation data from a CSV file, click. Notice that the icons are no longer displayed in the Overlap column. Click to close the Superelevation Tabular Editor. Near station 0 plus 900.00, Control plus click the green shoulder text. Only the grips of the selected superelevation region are displayed. Hover the cursor over the grip at station 0 plus 908.44. The cursor snaps to the grip, and a menu of options is displayed. You can use this grip to either change the station value, or add or remove a critical station. Select Move End Normal Shoulder. Move the grip to station 0 plus 900.00. Click to place the grip pan to the transition out region of curve point 4. Near station 1 plus 147.69, Control plus click the light red curve. Hover the cursor over the grip at station 1 plus 148.59. The cursor snaps to the grip, and a menu of options is displayed. You can use this grip to change the cross slope at this critical station, remove the grade brake, or remove curve smoothing. Select Remove Curve Smoothing. Change the cross slope at a superelevation critical station. At station 1 plus 148.59, hover the cursor over the grade grip. When a grade grip is cyan, a grade brake exists at the current location. Like other cyan grips in a superelevation view, a menu of options is displayed. At station 1 plus 116.45, hover the cursor over the grip. When a grade grip is gray, the current location has a consistent grade. Because no grade brake is present, the only option is to change the cross slope. Click the grip to make it active. Enter 1.5. Notice that the grip color is now cyan. This happened because you created a grade brake at the current location. Change the cross slope between superelevation curves. Pan to the left until you see the grip near station 1 plus 000.00. Hover the cursor over the grip. Select Move both left and right. Enter 4. The cross slopes of both the left and right shoulders are updated.